Welcome. This video is brought to you by My Shoe Covers reusable and washable booties for residential contractors with a grip you can count on. Running a plumbing or HVAC business takes a lot of time and coordination. You're managing calls, scheduling jobs, sending quotes, handling marketing, and keeping your customers happy. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming how contractors handle all of that. It's not about replacing people. It's about helping you work smarter, save time, and run a more profitable business. Here are 6 powerful ways AI can make a real difference in your day-to-day operations. Number 1. Smarter scheduling and dispatching. Scheduling is one of the biggest challenges in any service business. Jobs change, customers reschedule, and sometimes technicians get delayed. AI-powered scheduling tools can automatically assign jobs based on technician skills, availability, and location. They can even predict how long each job will take using your past data, keeping your schedule accurate and realistic. On top of that, AI can send automatic text updates to customers, letting them know when their technician is on the way. The result is less time spent juggling calls, fewer scheduling headaches, and a smoother experience for your customers. Number 2. 24/7 customer communication. Every business owner knows that missed calls mean missed opportunities. With AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, your business stays open even when you're not. Customers can ask questions, request service, or schedule appointments directly through your website or phone system at any hour of the day. AI can also detect urgent issues by recognizing words like leak, no heat, or flooding, and automatically flag those as high priority. That means faster responses for emergencies and more leads captured, without extra work on your end. Number 3. Faster and more accurate estimates. Creating quotes and estimates takes time, but AI can simplify the process dramatically. By analyzing your previous jobs, material costs, and labor rates, AI tools can create fast and accurate estimates automatically. If a customer asks about water heater replacement or an air conditioner repair, AI can instantly pull from your pricing data and generate a professional quote that's ready to send. This saves hours each week and gives you a competitive edge, because you can respond faster and more consistently than other companies. Number 4. Smarter marketing and lead generation. Marketing often takes a back seat when you're busy running the business, but AI can help you handle it effortlessly. AI marketing tools can write and schedule social media posts, design promotional emails, and even suggest when and where to run ads for the best results. They can also analyze which ads or campaigns bring in the most calls or web traffic. Instead of guessing where your marketing dollars should go, AI gives you real insights. That means you can focus on what works, reduce wasted spending, and bring in a steady stream of new customers. Number 5. Predictive maintenance and customer retention. For HVAC businesses especially, AI has changed how maintenance is done. Instead of waiting for something to break, AI allows you to predict when it will. Smart thermostats and connected sensors can detect early signs of trouble, like clogged filters, compressor wear, or low refrigerant levels, and alert both you and the homeowner before a breakdown occurs. This proactive approach builds customer trust, prevents costly emergencies, and keeps systems running smoothly all year round. When customers see you catching issues before they happen, they're more likely to stay loyal and recommend your services to others. Number 6. AI-powered leak and clog detection. AI isn't just improving office operations, it's built into the tools your team uses in the field. Modern diagnostic equipment now uses AI-driven sensors and imaging to locate leaks, clogs, and system inefficiencies faster and more accurately than ever. Smart inspection cameras can automatically identify pipe damage, corrosion, or blockages. Advanced leak detection tools can pinpoint the exact source of a water leak without unnecessary digging or cutting into walls. In HVAC systems, AI-enabled sensors can detect airflow issues or refrigerant leaks in real time. These technologies help technicians find problems faster, reduce callbacks, and provide more precise, reliable service for your customers, all while saving time and labor costs. AI isn't replacing your skill or experience, it's enhancing it. By using AI for scheduling, communication, estimating, marketing, maintenance, and even diagnostic tools, you can streamline your operations, serve customers faster, and increase your bottom line. The companies that start embracing AI today will lead the market tomorrow. It's the next essential tool in your toolbox. one that helps your plumbing or HVAC business work smarter, serve better, and grow stronger than ever before. On behalf of the My Shoe Covers team, thanks for watching. What AI tools or technologies are you currently using in your plumbing or HVAC business? Comment below and share what's working for you or what you're curious to try next.